Let's make jalapeno jelly.
So I have about 12 ounces of jalapenos here, and I'm just going to cut the tops off. You can remove the seeds and the white part if you want. I'm going to add in 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to blend this until smooth.
Look at that color.
Moved it over to a pot, and boy, that is like a fresh pepper smell. I've also got my jars warming up over here in a stock pot. I've got 1 more cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to pour it slowly because there's a bunch of sediment that landed on the bottom I don't want to go. Now I'm going to kick on the heat. So I am going to be adding in 1 packet of pectin. The recipe does call for liquid pectin. The main difference is in this powdered form, this is 4 tablespoons, and the Sure-Jell, like liquid pectin, is 2 tablespoons per pouch, which is why when you buy the liquid form of pectin, it comes in 2 pouches. Bringing it up to a full rolling boil before I add the sugar. Okay, we've got a full boil that can't be stirred down, so I'm going to start adding the sugar. 6 cups of sugar to be exact. It is a lot of sugar, but this is like a specialty item. Now we're going to boil this hard for a minute. All right, I'm going to turn the heat off. I am just going to skim some of this foam off here. Start ladling our mix into our hot jars with our hot candy.
Look how pretty that is. You can add green food coloring to your mix before you jar them up if you want.
I did not do that. This recipe also did not call for straining out the bits like through cheese, which honestly I'm happy with. So it looks like I need to heat up 1 more jar real quick. Clean the rims with white vinegar, which will be very important considering jelly is so sticky. Alright, and then that little bit will just go in the fridge. 1/4 of an inch of headspace, fingertip tight. They are all in, so now I'm going to bring this to a boil. Now that it's boiling, 10 minutes on the timer, and it's done.
So I will just leave these here for 24 hours untouched.
This one I had just left on the counter that whole time, and it's already setting.